Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, collective. Collective love read. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yes, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating sa ating mga items. Okay, we have protection from evil eye. Meron din tayong love bracelet. Meron din tayong si granter. Okay, sabi natin para mas mapabilis, no? Yung mga minamanifest ninyo. Okay, so nagmamanifest rin to ng para sa'yo. Okay? Yung sabihin natin hindi mo alam, kailangan ko pala yon. So, siya na yun magpo-provide. Okay? It's like a surprise, no? And, yung ating cord cut. Okay? So, ito yung pinaka bago natin. Okay? Pagdating sa cord cut, inaalis po, no? Yung mga negative na energies na pwedeng nagpapabigat, no? Sa iyong energy mismo. Okay, so all in all, tatanggalin para makausad, para makaangat-angat. Okay? So, yun ang aking gagawin pagdating dyan sa cord cut. Anyway, so, collective love read. Okay? So, ang naririnig ko dito, pagdating dito sa sa i-read natin na to, this is for emergency. Okay? This is for emergency. I don't know kung anong meron doon. Okay? I don't know. Something lang siguro na pwedeng kailangan mo, baka ikaw na nanonood, kailangan mo ng sabihin nating kasagutan, no? Sa sitwasyon mo sa ngayon. Okay? Yung sabihin nating parang gulong-gulo ka na. Anyway, ano bang meron sa person mo? Ano bang meron? Parang tawag lang, parang ganyan. Tinawag lang, hindi talaga ako magre-read sa totoo lang ngayon, hindi ako magre-read anyway. Ang naririnig ko kasi kailangan ko merong natawag, I need your help, parang ganyan, I need your opinion, I need your reading. So yeah, collectives, who is this person? Who is this person, collectives? The Four of Pentacles. You're holding back. They're holding back. Some of them tinataguan ka. Okay. What's with this Four of Pentacles? Nakita ko kanina while I'm shuffling the Seven of Swords. Okay, may mga pagtatago, may mga pagsisikreto, may mga pagsisinungaling. Okay, ano tong Four of Pentacles? Death in reversed. Meron na namang nawala, collectives. Meron na naman ng ghost. Merong ginost sa inyo. Ha? Yeah, you love this person. You love them. Okay? Some of you, may family na kayong sarili nito. Nawala na naman ba? Pinagtataguan ka na naman. In general, pinagtataguan ka na naman niya. Kung ano man, hindi ko alam. Pwedeng siya nagtatago sa'yo. Pwedeng meron siyang mga nililihim, maybe. Okay. So, pwedeng Scorpio. Meron ding Earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Yeah, this could be any sign. Okay. So, anong situation nyo? Collectives. Again, the Ten of Cups. Masaya kami. Masaya naman kami nung nakaraan eh. Yeah. Yeah. Ano nangyari? Ten of Cups. The Three of Wands Universe. Biglang nawala. Biglang umalis. Oh, yeah, this is for emergency. I think this is emergency emergency reading. Yeah. Yung parang meron kang hinahanap sa taong to, bakit, or tinatanong. Okay? Kung anong nangyari, bakit ka nawala, bakit ka biglang lumayo. Merong lumayo, merong tumalikod. Sa responsibilidad, sa connection. Okay? May lumayo, may tumalikod. Yeah, you're confused sa kanyang paglayo. Or pwedeng ikaw itong puzzled, no? Para kang sabihin nating nag-e-exam, ng multiple choice. Hindi ko alam kung anong dahilan. Ano bang meron? Okay, let's see. What is their emotion right now? Gusto ko makita bakit. Oo, gusto ko makita bakit talaga lumayo. Tingnan muna natin, ha? Ano tong Three of Wands in reverse? Bakit may pagtalikod? Bakit may paglayo itong taong to? Anong dahilan? So, this is specific kapag kinlarify ko na. Okay? So, anong meron? The Knight of Swords. Meron siyang sabihin nating mas inasikaso. Okay? Pwedeng meron siyang mas inasikaso. The Knight of Swords. And the King of Swords, they're silent. Okay? Some of them, they're silent. Tinalikuran ka para sa ibang kung ano man. Okay? Kausap. Yeah, the Ten of Swords. That is why. Iba sa inyo, may pinupurso tong iba. Yeah, see the Two of Wands. There's, sabihin nating pagpili. Okay? Yeah. What is their emotion right now? What is their emotion? Some of you yung kausap niya ngayon, kasi may kausap. Okay, may kausap sila. Lumayo sa'yo, in-end ka, kinut off ka, kasi meron silang ibang pinupursue. Some of them, yung kausap nila, pwedeng may nangyari ng past sa kanila. Pwedeng ex niya. Okay? So, let's see. What is their current emotion pagdating sa'yo, collectives? The Judgment in reversed. Okay, why? Yeah, the Sun in reversed. So, ayaw ka nito ngayon. Sa totoo lang, lumalayo, iniiwasan ka, nilalayuan ka. Okay? Yeah, the Star in reversed. Some of them, nabuburyong lang to. Okay? Nauumay. Yeah. The Sun in reverse, this is energy of lies. Okay? Secrets. What's with this, the Sun in reverse? Yeah, the Five of Swords in reverse. They're not available emotionally. Some of them, meron talagang inaasikasong iba. Yeah. Alam mo, emosyon nito, nakikita ko pa, kaya to hindi naging clear sa'yo kung bakit siya nawala. Okay? Kung bakit hindi siya naging clear, walang pagpapaalam na ginawa. Kasi hindi rin siya sure doon sa pinupuntahan niya sa ngayon. Okay? It's like, parang ikaw yung sabihin nating may babalikan pa if ever. Okay? Yeah. Para kang spare tire. Kapag na-disgrasya yung ginagamit niya, kapag na-disgrasya, na-flat, meron siyang makukuha. Pwedeng ikaw, may babalikan, may gagamitin muli. Okay? It's like, parang ganun. Anyway. So, kaya hindi siya naging malinaw sa'yo. Wala, gusto niya safe. Safe yung magiging decision niya. Okay? So, let's see. Their next action towards you, collectives. The Moon. So, nandyan pa rin yung secrets, nandyan pa rin yung pagtatago, nandyan pa rin yung lies. They will confuse you. Okay, they will confuse you. Why the Moon is here? In the Three of Pentacles. So, the Three of Pentacles, sabihin natin, hindi ka pa rin bibigyan ng linaw. Okay? Hindi pa rin nila gagawin yun. Okay? So, nandyan yung parang iba-block ka pa rin or hahayaan ka pa din niya kung anong meron sa inyo sa ngayon. Okay? Hindi ko nakikita na mag-reach out itong taong to. Kung naghihintay ka sa kanya, hindi ko nakikita mag-reach out. Okay? So, nandun siya sa pinagfo-focusan niya sa ngayon. Okay? So, yeah, the Two of Pentacles, they're dropping you. Wala ka pa rin maririnig from them. Huni ng kuliglig ang maririnig mo sa sobrang tahimik niya, sa sobrang sabi nating pagtatagong ginagawa. Okay? So, eto kung kakonect mo to sa ngayon at nakikita mong napaka-inconsistent, binabackstab ka na. Ha? Binabackstab ka na ng taong to. Yes. Meron silang mga tinatago. Meron silang mga sabihin nating dirty secrets. Okay? So, let's see. Ano ba ang outcome/advice for you collectives? Yeah, this is talagang emergency read, no? Meron talagang may nangangailangan dito nito. Okay. Yeah, the Magician in reversed. So, energy ng manipulation. There's this manipulation. Okay, playing safe. Meron akong narinig na ganon. Why the Magician in reversed? Yeah, the Two of Pentacles. The Tower. The Fool. Yeah. Sa ginawa nilang paglayo or sa ginagawa nila sa inyo, kung hindi sila nagiging consistent. Okay? Hindi sila sigurado. Okay? Sa ginagawa niyang desisyon sa'yo. In general, hindi sigurado tong taong to. Kung meron tong pinuntahan, kung nilayuan ka niya, hindi siya sigurado doon. Okay? So, outcome nyo, the Magician in reverse, the Two of Pentacles. Someone is juggling. Someone will juggle you. Someone will confuse you. Okay? So, kung ganon, yeah, sabi ko sa'yo, the Seven of Cups in reverse. Ito, yung sinabi ko kanina. Ito yung spare tire. Okay? May chance, alam niya sa kokote niya, alam ng taong to, in case hindi maging successful, okay, yung dahilan ng pag-alis nito, okay, babalik at babalik yan sa'yo. Kaya po hindi siya naging open. Hindi niya para sabihin na may iba ako. Or hindi niya para sabihin may kausap akong iba, diyan ka na. Okay? Kasi, yeah, they're playing safe. They're not sure pagdating doon sa pinili nila. May doubts. Mga what ifs. Okay? So, tawag doon? Naninigurado. Okay? Naninigurado yung person mo. Okay? So, ano magandang gawin? Drop them. Kung hindi ka mabigyan ng magandang dahilan or kalinawan bakit sila wala, then drop them. Lalo na yung bigla-bigla na lang, nawala. Nung nakaraan lang saya-saya namin. Nung makalwa ang saya-saya namin. Bakit na lang biglang nawala to? Bigla na lang tumalikod. Hindi ko alam. Bigla na lang ako nagising. Ako na lang mag-isa. Oh. Okay? So, kung walang magandang dahilan, walang sasabihing maganda. Okay? Walang clarity na ibibigay din. Yun na yun. Okay? Yun na yun. Yeah. Huwag kang papauto. May chance bumalik. Huwag kang papauto. Sa ngayon, nananahimik yan. Okay, nananahimik. Nagtatago. Pero outcome nyo, the Magician in reversed and the Two of Pentacles. It's up to you. It's your decision. May chance kasi na bumalik. Okay? It's like, tatanggapin mo or hindi. Yeah. It's up to you. Knight of Cups, the High Priestess in reversed. Is an advice. Okay? Sinasabi nitong cards. Ito na yung answer na kailangan mo. Emergency, di ba? Yeah, emergency. This is the clarity na kailangan mo. Okay? Lumayo ka na. Yeah, you don't need to stay. You don't need to wait for this person. Binigay na sa'yo yung sagot. Okay? Yeah, the Devil in reverse. So, mas ikabubuti. Mas, sabihin natin, mas magiging okay ka kung hindi mo hihintayin, hindi mo pipiliing magstay. Hindi mo pipiliing maging open pa rin for them. Okay, so we have here Pisces, Earth, Virgo, Earth sign, Fire, Leo, Scorpio, Air, yeah, Fire, Water, Scorpio, Earth. Yeah, this could be any sign. Kahit anong zodiac sign. Okay, kung naka-resonate ka, then mas maganda kunin mo yung advice. Okay? Kasi hindi rin naman magiging maganda yung outcome if ever. Let's see. Okay, the zodiac sign you're dealing with Aries through Pisces for the collectives. The Aries. Okay. Some of you'll end up a new person, no? Parang you'll end up, sabihin nating makakatagpo ka ng bago. Pwedeng Aries, okay? Taurus. Wanting another chance. Gemini, they need you. Cancer, they want cooperation. I think they want cooperation. Leo, they're stuck. Virgo, they're cutting you off. Some of them, they want to heal. Okay, or maybe you have to heal from this Virgo. Libra, distance pagdating sa emotion. Scorpio, third party involvement. Some of you, this is separation. Sagittarius, they want to fix things. They want to clear the air with you. They doesn't want any kind of drama. Capricorn, they're leaving you behind. Okay? Aqua, hot and cold. Yeah, hot and cold. 1 minute they like you, 1 minute they need you. Maya hindi na. Pisces, they will put effort, action towards the situation kung anong meron sa inyo. Okay? So there. So, yun, ang aking reading for you, collective. So, emergency read. Merong nangailangan. So, kailangan kong basahin. Kung sino man yon, kung sino ka man, sana, no, na-read kita ng maganda. Okay? So, pero yeah, it's up to you kung ano magiging decision mo. Okay? So, there. Yun ang aking reading for you once again. Thank you. Goodbye.